Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. First off, forgive my voice. Allergies are bad right now. Stuff is high here in Texas and it's really getting to me. A few days ago I was bad. But I'm going to make a sausage and pepper dinner. And it feeds a lot of people. First off, you can definitely have this recipe. I like my Italian sausage. This is Italian sausage. Everything you need for this dinner is in the description box. So go check that out, what you'll be needing, and just follow along here what I'm doing. I like my sausage tender, as I said. So first off, what we're going to do is I have a pound and a half of hot Italian. You can get mild or medium, whatever one you like. And I'm going to do a couple of cups of water. And I'm going to let this come to a boil. First off, I'm going to add just a little bit of olive oil. Maybe a tablespoon or any oil of your choice. That way when that water evaporates, that's what we're looking to do. We're looking for it to evaporate, but you're going to let that come to a boil, as I said, and once that water evaporates, it's going to start frying, and you want to fry that till it's golden brown. But I'm going to let that come to that boil. Once it does, I'll turn it down to medium. You don't want it on a real low boil because we do want it to evaporate, so we'll take that lid off as soon as we see that water's going low to help that water get off there, and it'll start frying and just get it golden brown. Okay, my sausage is nice and brown and tender, plus it's going to cook more in the oven. So you do use a non-stick pan, because like all of the stuff on the bottom, the sticky stuff that starts sticking after it browns, you want to remove that because it's nothing wrong with it, but it's not appealing either. See there, just like remove that. Just kind of scrape it up off the bottom because we want this leftover oil here for our peppers and onions, and we'll mix it all in with our potatoes and green beans. But I'm going to get this out and we'll get the peppers and onions in. Okay, now with that remaining oil that's left from the peppers the sausage and olive oil, we're going to get our peppers and our onions, and we're just going to cook this till it's a little bit charred. Sorry if that volume went off a little bit. Forgot my mic here. Just to see, till you see a little bit of char on them. All right. Okay, now I did cook these over high heat. We want to get them a good sear on them. Try not to disturb them too much. That's good enough. So let's get this assembled. Okay, now we put our sausage in at the end. When we're done, we'll just stir it in because we got plenty of flavor from the drippings from the sausage here to flavor those potatoes and stuff. Because you don't want to put the sausage in there again because it'll get a little too dried out. So we're going to assemble this. We're going to add our fresh green beans. You want to leave them long, you can leave them long or cut them up. I got my potatoes. And the oven is preheated to 400. We're going to put our onions and peppers. And this is delicious with some crusty bread. Toast you up some bread with some olive oil. A little bit of garlic. Yum. And now I have my seasonings. And you don't, I wanted to tell them something, that's why I said you don't. I don't remember what it was. Oh, you don't want to add a whole lot of salt to this so you can taste it. That's paprika, smoked paprika, seasoning salt, and, did I say black pepper? Smoked paprika, that's what it was. And we'll get this in the oven, and we're going to cook this just to our potatoes are fork tender at 400. So I'm going to cover this with foil, and in the oven it goes. Okay, my friends, there it is. Mine baked for 75 minutes. Ovens vary. I think I said 400, didn't I? I actually cooked mine at 425. Yours may take an hour. It just depends on how soft you want them green beans. Now, I did want to mention to you, um, if you don't want fresh green beans, you can use canned green beans. That lends a lot of flavor because they're in a brine, but make sure you drain them really, really well. You can use, you know, the steamable green beans, the fresh ones in the bag. You steam them in the microwave. That'll give you a head start, and you won't have to cook it as long. So whatever works for you. But Curtis is over here twiddling his fingers, patiently waiting. Go ahead, taste it with him, Curtis.
Finally.
See, if I would have put that potato or the sausage in there like that, it wouldn't have got as tender.
Well, I gotta give me a little.
That's why I like
slice
to.
of toast.
I got some nice, crispy bread there. How is it, son? I tell you what, he'll clear half this, and then plus he'll want to know later, is there going to be any left for lunch?
Oh yeah. I'm taking a whole sheet.
Uh-huh. But it's good. It's different. You got your vegetables. You got your meat. I have another one, too, a sheet pan supper with sausage and green beans. No peppers, though. But if you guys want to check that one out. But I think I just about said what I needed, because there was something I wanted to mention to y'all. But like I say, if I forget, it'll be in the description, y'all. I guess that's about it. I'm just so scared it's something important and I'm going to forget it. That's basically it. You guys enjoy this sausage and pepper dinner with some potatoes and green beans. It's all there. And until next week, we will see you guys later. And please like and subscribe if you like the channel. Go check out my merch, and we will see you guys next week. Make you some up. It's delicious. Bye-bye.